Well, hello people. Now in the last video of this training series, we have already decided a e-commerce business setup checkpoint sheet where we have decided the brand name, colors, type, and target market. We have also decided the product inventory. In this video today, we are getting into creating the website, which means a Shopify website. However, before choosing the website, we have to buy a domain from any of the available domain providers, and then we have to make a logo as well. So I already have added this logo in the Springtails project drive. This is a very simple black and white logo, a very classic one. And I can now get into buying this domain from GoDaddy. So what you can do, you can simply go to Google and type by domain. You can go to any of the available websites. I'm going with this one right now. And here I type in the brand name. In our case, Springtails is our brand name. I simply put in Springtails over here, click on search, and I shall be getting multiple domain names available. The the expensive one is springtails.com. It's not even available. Then we have springtails.in and we have the multiple domains. I go with the best suitable domain. Let's say I go with this one, which seems to be available at 1 INR. Oh my God, is it really coming at this cost? I don't believe so. So I guess it's tricky. You don't get the domains at 1 INR. That was the price if you buy the domain for 3 years. That was the first year price. In our case, if we are going with 1 year domain registration price, it's coming at the cost of 579. I can simply click on I'm ready to pay. I'm going with the UPI options, putting in the virtual completed at my device. It's reflecting in GoDaddy portal as well. And now we shall be having a well done time for fun part. Go to my account, and here in GoDaddy we shall be having our available domain. It's taking a while again. I click over here, click on my products and wait for a while. Perfect. So we have this domain available by the name of springtails.in. Perfect. So in terms of domain, we have this domain ready. I can simply put the domain name in the sheet, match the colors, and then we need a website in Shopify. So what I can do, I can simply go to shopify.com, Shopify, or I can simply type Shopify. It takes me to this page which says create an online store today. I'm going to start with an email ID which asks me to start free trial. So I'm going to put in my personal email ID here. Then I click on start free trial. Okay, let's see if I get option to create the website. I'm already selling online or in person. I'm just starting. Okay, I click on next. And then I have to choose the store. It's an online store. Perfect. Create a fully customizable website. I'm clicking on next again. Products I buy or make myself. This is totally fine. I click on next. It's for India. And here it asks me, it redirects me to my email ID. I'm going to loop this account with my email ID. All right, remind me next. I'm not enabling any two-way authentication. It's building my store, which is amazing. And here it's going to create an online website for me. So maybe if you do so, you'll also get all of these options while making the website. And here we have our store ready. Wow, it's amazing. It says MS as the store name. Wow, so I guess everything is ready. And this is how you can have your store available. Select a plan to get your first month for 20 rupees. So I'm going to click over here and I select my basic plan. So this asks us to enable the auto payment if you are doing the payment through UPI. I have enabled the auto payment option. It has deducted 10 rupees from my account and auto payment is set for 5,000 rupees. Even though it's not deducting auto payment of 5,000, it's not deducting 5,000 rupees from me, but it has taken some initial verification. And then I click on subscribe, and this allows me to have a Shopify store, I guess. Again, it's taking a while. Perfect. Now I have subscribed successfully. I can put in my name, my phone number, confirm business, my address, okay, my city and everything. And here I click on confirm my business. Perfect. So here a couple of my setup details are completed. Now I can simply add my first product. Before that, I can also check my website theme. But I guess before I check my website theme, I shall be adding my first product. So I click on add my product here. Now here are the details I needed to upload the product. That's why I had this sheet ready. So for the first product, I can simply copy my title, put it over here. I can copy my description, put it over here. In terms of media, I can simply upload the information from the drive. So I can go back to my drive, go to product images, go to ST02, and then I have to download all of these images in my system. So I can download all of these images one by one. I'm sorry. All right, so here I finished down Shopify portal. So here I have these images available. Perfect. I already have the title and description. In terms of pricing, I go back to my product sheet. I copy the pricing and put it in this price option. Track quantity, I do not track quantity right now. The shipping is fine. Colors are okay. And then I click on save. So that's how I have uploaded my first product in this Shopify portal. Now this is completed. Add a custom domain. Now I have to link my Shopify website with my domain. So I click on add domain. And here it asks me to connect existing domain. That's right. I put in my domain link. So I go to my sheet, copy this domain link, put it over here. I click on next. I have to wait for a while so it initiates the domain linking process. Click on verify domain. It's not okay. So now I have to put in these details in my domain. So what I have to do, I have to get into here. I have to get into my GoDaddy account. I have to click on DNS, which means my domain name services. And over here, I have to change some settings in my DNS management. I go back to my Shopify account. I have to put in these details in the DNS. So first of all, I have to create a record and then I have to create the CNAME record. So I go back to my DNS management. I click on add new record, or I can even update this A record from here, which is parked right now, which is not having any information. So type is A, name is at the rate. This is fine. Current IP is empty. I have to put in this value in the IP address name. This is the value. I click on save, and then I have to update the CNAME record. Again, it's www in the name. The current value could be empty. The required value is this one. So I go back over here. I go to CNAME. I click over here. In the required value, I paste this number shops.myshopify.com. This is the name, and I click on save. After providing the A name and also so the C name, GoDaddy is going to take a while to update the DNS records. The DNS records are updated. And here, perfect, it's connected. Wow. So now I have connected my Shopify store with my GoDaddy account. It can give you some trouble initially, but then the Shopify will be connected to the domain. Now I click on customize themes. This is the most important part because here I have to choose themes according to my domain, according to my logo, in fact. So I have this Dawn theme and I have these other themes available. I think I can go with this theme, which is a craft theme by Shopify. I click on add and I choose this theme for now. If I want, I can change this theme after a while. And then again, it's going to take a while. It's installing the theme in my Shopify portal. Once the theme is installed, I'll be able to see the preview of my website. It's taking a while. I may have to wait for a couple of minutes. Once the theme is uploaded, I can simply apply this theme on my website. Perfect. So the theme is added now. I can simply click on publish. And this store is password protected. You can remove the password after you publish the theme. So you always have to remember that the password is always there in Shopify. You have to remove the password. I click on publish. It's gonna take a while. The theme is published now. I click on customize your online store. This is perfectly fine. Name your store. I name my store as Spring Tales. Click on save. And okay, store phone number it's needed. I click on save again. I can change this phone number after a while if needed. Oops, I have not entered the right name. The name has to be Spring Tails. I click on save again. Then this is currency. So currency is INR. This is totally fine. Weight is kg. Time zone is GMT 5:30. The order ID has to be ST underscore. So if I take you to the product sheet, I can show you this is how we wanted our product IDs. So we name it ST underscore. Perfect. We don't need any suffix. And from here, we'll be uploading our products in this format. This is fine. We don't need anything else. How do we save it? We click on save at the bottom of the screen. We again wait for a while. And here we go to set up the shipping rates. We are starting with no shipping rates as of now. So this is okay. We are not choosing the payment provider right now. We'll be choosing this payment provider after some time. But we are again going to general plan. This plan is perfect. This is the plan we are keeping. The billing cycle, user payment, this is fine. All right, so here we have our Shopify account. We are going with PayPal right now. Perfect. So I click back to this option. I cancel out this from the top right. I go to my this link online store, and from here I can view our store. So this takes us to a page where I can have, this is our website, this is our theme. So we only have one single product uploaded, but then eventually I'll be adding more products in the website. But then I have to enable this website. Right now we are not getting the domain name on the top. So what we can do, we can get into preferences. From here it says the online store is password protected. The title and description, this is something which is going to help in SEO. So in the home page title, I'm going to name it as artificial jewelry store so that it helps in our SEO. Online artificial jewelry store. And then we have to write some description as well. I'm going to keep it blank for now. Social media images is something that I have to upload. I also needed to link this Google Analytics account, Facebook Pixel, password protection. I can simply remove it and I can click on save. And here we have a website ready, springtails.in. Perfect. So here we have the website available. The website is totally working fine. It's just that the website is not having all the products. That's why it's looking a bit blank. We already have this product available on the website, the one and only product that we have uploaded while choosing the theme of the website. Now I'll be seeing in the next video with all the website and with all the products on the website. And then I'll also be uploading all of these products on the website. And then we'll discuss the digital marketing project planning, keyword planning, and the media planning in the next video. I'll see you in the next one.